I'll guide you through how to make your Facebook profile private without wasting time digging through dozens of hidden menus. If you're ready, click the like button and let's get started. Tap the menu icon or your profile picture in the top corner, then tap the Settings gear icon to open the Settings and Privacy menu, which is the control hub for all security and privacy functions. Next, tap Privacy Checkup. Tap to open it. Then tap Continue. In the Profile Management page, tap Next. Under the Who Can See What You Share with an Audience, change your future post audience from Public to Friends and save. Go back to Privacy Checkup and select how people can find you on Facebook. Tap Continue and change friend requests from Everyone to Friends of Friends. This limits who can get in touch with you first. Now for deep settings, go back to Settings and Privacy and scroll to Audience and Visibility section. Tap Profile and Tagging to open the section dedicated to controlling content posted by others. Under the Reviewing section, turn on the toggle for Review Posts you are tagged in before the post appears in your profile. This holds posts for your approval before they are visible on your timeline. Finally, go back to Settings and Privacy, tap Account Center, then tap Password and Security under Account Settings. Select Two-Factor Authentication under Login and Recovery. Tap the account you want to secure and log in with your password. Turn on 2FA using an authentication app. This protects your account from unauthorized login attempts. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Facebook video tutorials and check the description below for advanced security settings. Thanks for watching.